Hey, how y'all doing out there? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth, and I got another mind-blowing program once again. And this bad boy right here is the $500 cash machine. Don't you see how colorful and pretty it is? This thing right here is a cash cow. I am telling you what, it's nothing like going to the mailbox and getting those $500 payments coming in like clockwork. Even if you get one a day, that's a good day. Even if you get one a week, some people kill themselves over 40 hours and don't even get 500 cash. They got stuff deducted, taken out their check. I'm telling you what, as you can see, this thing pays 4 levels deep. And man, all you gotta do is mail your flyer out on a consistent basis. Get your downline to do the same. You can just see how pretty and colorful it is that it's a convert machine. But it's all about duplication, y'all. You want to mail consistently every single week. You want to get your downline to do the same thing. And everybody will be happy. You just rinse and repeat. It's no reinventing the wheel. It's just about duplication. You mailing on a consistent basis, your downline doing the same. And if all of y'all on the same page, you could have thousands and thousands of flyers with your name on it, and each one of those flyers gives you a chance to make $500. So, like I say, and then what's so beautiful about my flyer, as you see the 3 free spaces right there. So you only gonna pay 1,000. You send me 500. You send the monitor 500, and only costs $1,000 to join. You saving 1,500 because, as you can see, I got 3 free spaces right there, and it's just this is just the real deal. And not only that, when you join me in the $500 cash machine, you're going to get the Millionaire Mailers 1, 2, and 3 absolutely free. How about that? I mean, tell me where is a better deal than that. You're going to get Millionaire Mailers 1, 2, and 3 for free for coming in the $500 cash machine, all for $1,000, and you're gonna save 1,500 because I got 3 free spaces on my flyer, as you can see right there. So, um, so if you want to join this thing, and if you tired of struggling, and you want a real powerhouse money making flyer like this, I just started a new blog. I got other mail order programs over there as well. I got online programs. I'm going to put the link to my new blog. Make sure you subscribe to my video and click that notification bell because I got plenty of stuff to come. I've been doing this with online marketing mail order since January 25th of 2007. And I was even researching, shoot, 3 years even before that. So I was even doing research even before that, but I was still playing sports and stuff, little my personal life or whatever. But look, I'm gonna put the link to my blog. Like I say, subscribe to this channel. I only promote legit stuff. Click that notification bell and go by my blog and click on the mail order programs tab and look for the $500 cash machine. Y'all have a good day. Take care. Bye.